Hi everyone, I'm Travis from Kelowna Chevrolet, and today I'll be showing you this 2018 all-wheel drive Lexus NX 300 in atomic silver. Powering this accident-free all-wheel drive SUV is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, getting you roughly 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. In the rear of this vehicle, you have an automatic liftgate along with a lot of storage with a rubberized cargo mat. Moving into the interior of the vehicle, you have your window and door controls along with power front seats, power adjustable front seats with the memory feature here. The seats have this premium leather to them, and on the dash is your blind spot monitoring system along with your heated steering wheel. Moving up to the steering wheel, on the left side is your hands-free audio controls, and on the right side is your lane departure and adaptive cruise control. This car currently has 66,552 kilometers. Moving over to the top of the dash is your infotainment system with this beautiful clock and climate controls. And down here you have your gear select and drive mode select. Now moving into the rear of the vehicle, you have the premium leather along with 60/40 split folding rear seats. The lever for that is right here. You also have this nice cup holder that can fold up and tuck away for an extra passenger. And there's your own climate control back here and 2 USB ports. Thank you for watching the walk-around video of this 2018 all-wheel drive Lexus NX 300. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person, please come visit us at Kelowna Chevrolet, and our sales team will be happy to show you around.